Malampusong nakabot sa Ganda Bohemia gikan sa Barangay Buhangin, Davao City nga si Hannah Colin Sharil. Ang titulo isip bag-ong mutya ng Davao 2026. Nagkoronahan si Hannah atubangan sa gatusan ka mga spectators. Kung manananaaw kagabi March 20, 2026 adlaw nga Biyernes diha sa University of Southeastern Philippines kun Yusef Obrero, Davao City. Atong paminawan ang himong winning answer ni mutya ng Davao 2026, Hannah Colin Sharil.
The world is currently witnessing a humanitarian crisis and intense conflict in the Middle East. As a potential mutya ng Davao, how can you use the culture of security we practice here in Davao City as a blueprint to advocate for global peace and solidarity on the international stage?
So my depiction of what the culture of security is rooted in is in education. And how do we educate people? By starting a dialogue. It's so hard to say that we should be non-political these days when everything we do is political. And we have to be respectful in terms of our political views and opinions. And we should be able to share to one another. And that is my role as mutya, to have that engaged dialogue. Because politics will haunt us in our wages, our fuel, and our education. And we must talk about politics like it's a life and death situation. Because Filipino lives, no, human lives are quite literally on the line. Thank you.
Ang nahimong winning answer ni mutya ng Davao 2026, Hannah Colin Sharil. Sa interview sa DXDC RMN Davao, nasayarang usap pa di ay kini kay estudyante si Hannah o giangkong duna kini gamayng kalisdanan. Nga dunganon ang pagtuon ug ang pagpangandam sa maong kompetisyon. Ato paminawon ang ihang tubag sa interview sa DXDC.
It was so hard juggling, mutya ng Davao and academics at the same time as a second year student. Honestly, nakaapas-apas lang jud ko. Like, naningkamot na lang jud ko. That was how I got through everything. And, in God's favor, it worked out. And I'm so happy, the stars aligned and everything. It was my time and I'm so happy I grabbed the chance.
Samtang sa maong kompetisyon, nagsunod sab kaniya ang ugi-ila isip diwa ng Davao, si Joanna Ubas nga gikan sa Barangay Kalinan, Christine Bermudo sa Barangay Matina Crossing, isip sinag ng Davao. Sirlene Cabanit gikan sa Barangay Maa, isip Pag-asa ng Davao, o Robin Lee sa Barangay Bago Galiara, isip Patnubay ng Davao. Sa karon ginaplaster na ni Hannah ang iyang mga buluhaton, isip bag-ong mutya ng Davao ingunuan, malaumong mapatuman ang iyang advokasya alang sa dakbayan.